Welcome back again students to our maths class of class 7th, and from today we are going to start with our 6th unit, that is triangle and its properties. In 6th standard you have learned what is meant by a triangle. So this year you are going to learn some properties of triangles, some things that are related to the triangles and types of triangles. Actually, you know which types of triangles are there. There are three types of triangles. Right angle triangle is there, then acute angle triangle is there, obtuse angle triangle is there, then scalene triangle is there, then equilateral triangle is there, and isosceles triangle is there. All these things you have learned in 6th standard and previous classes. But this year, again, a step forward, a step further, that we are going to see what is there in triangles and its properties. Definition of a triangle, you know that a three-sided figure, a closed figure having three sides, completely made up of line segments. This is called as a triangle. Then we can name this triangle as triangle A, B, C. How to name a triangle, this also we have learned. Some more things that you are going to learn this year. For example, suppose now again, these are the vertex of the triangle. A, B, C are the vertex points of the triangle. AB, BC, AC. These are the sides of the triangle, three sides of the triangle. What this year we are going to learn? The first thing that we are going to learn related to the triangle is called as median of a triangle. Now remember, in third chapter also we have learnt about median, and in this chapter also we are going to learn about the median, but that median is related to the data and this median is related to the triangle. So don't get confused. Median of a triangle. What is meant by a median of a triangle? For example, suppose you take any vertex of a triangle. Suppose you take A as the vertex, and for this vertex BC is the opposite side. For vertex B, AC is the opposite side, and for vertex C, AB is the opposite side. So if you take any vertex, say A vertex you have taken, and if you draw a line to the opposite side but to the center of the opposite side. Suppose this is the opposite side and this is the center point of the opposite side, and a line drawn from vertex to the center point or middle of the opposite side, this is called as median of the triangle. You will get the definition in your notes. Yesterday's notes of 5.2, question number 5 and 6. Today all I am going to send you. But now for time being, you just see what is meant by median. So what is meant by median? A line drawn from the vertex to the opposite side, midpoint of the opposite side, is called as vertex. From B, suppose this is the midpoint, so from B also here this would be the median. From C, suppose this is the midpoint, so the line joining the midpoint of the opposite side and the vertex, this is called as a median. So three vertex, so the triangle has three medians. Okay, so this is called as median. Okay, the first thing we have seen is median of a triangle. What is meant by median of a triangle? Now the second thing we are going to see, it is called as altitude of the triangle. In other words, it is also called as height of the triangle. Okay, if you want to find out the area of triangle, that time you require height of the triangle, and this is what we are going to see what is meant by altitude. The first definition we have seen, it was median. Now we are seeing altitude. Again, there are three vertex A, B and C. Okay, the line drawn from a vertex to the opposite side, but the line should be perpendicular. So we say a perpendicular line drawn from a vertex to its opposite side, it is called as altitude of the triangle. Now again, three vertex are there, so there are three altitudes, but they all should be perpendicular to each other. Now this height, altitude, it can be to the center point or it can be anywhere on the opposite side. Need not that it should be at the center, since this type of triangle we have taken, so it is seeming to be in the center. So what is meant by altitude? A perpendicular line drawn from a vertex to its opposite side is called as altitude of triangle. Okay, now we move towards exercise 6.1, a very small exercise. Very soon we can find out the answers. Now in exercise 6.1, question number 1, there is one triangle given. The triangle is PQR. Here this is the altitude and somewhere here is the midpoint. So here is D point and here is M point. Now QD and DR, they are equal, but this is the altitude. So the first question they have asked is PM, segment PM equals to, now since this is perpendicular, so this is the altitude of the triangle. This is the altitude of the triangle. Now since this PD is here, so this is at the center point of QR, so we say that segment PD equals to median of triangle. Okay, so now they are asking one more question. Is QM, means from here to here, QM, and M to R, are they equal? So this was the first question, this was the second question. Exercise 6.1, question number 1. First question, second question, and third one is QM equal to MR? We say no as the answer. No, they both are not equal. Okay, so exercise 6.1, question number 1 finishes here. Sub questions are also there. Now we move towards question number 2. This is the geometry part of our syllabus. Now we have continued 3 chapters with this geometry only. Okay, question number 2. Draw rough sketches for the following. In triangle ABC, BE is a median. Question number 2A. So the question says, in triangle ABC, rough sketch we have to draw. So if we take that this is triangle A, B and C. BE is a median. BE is a median. So here is the vertex B. Median is the line drawn to the opposite side. So AC is the opposite side. Suppose this is the center point of AC. Since this is a rough sketch, so here we have drawn. Here we will have to give BE. So BE is the median, and we will show that these two sides are equal to show that this is the center point. So A figure we have drawn a rough sketch. B. In triangle PQR, PQ and QR are altitudes of the triangle. Now this is a special type of triangle. Suppose we draw a triangle, rough sketch I am drawing, PQR. What they have asked? That PQ and QR, the two sides, they are altitudes to each other. So this type of triangle we cannot draw since they are not perpendicular to each other. So what we will do? We will draw two perpendicular lines. This would be P, Q, and this would be QR. So it is a right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, the two sides are the altitudes of each other. This side and this side, they are altitudes of each other. See question. In triangle XYZ, YL is an altitude in the exterior of the triangle. Now, in the exterior of the triangle, we have to draw the altitude. So, for this purpose, you will have to draw a obtuse angle triangle. See here, this is the obtuse angle triangle. X, Y, Z, this is the sides, and XL is an altitude. So here we will extend it by a dotted line, and here also, and here we will give it as L. So this is the altitude of the triangle. Since they are in the this we have extended, this also is an extended form. So we will draw this with a dotted line. So question number 2 is very simple. It ends here. Okay, question number 3. Again, a rough sketch is to be drawn. What is the question? Verify by drawing a diagram if the median and altitude of an isosceles triangles are same. So we have to show that there is an isosceles triangle. Okay, we will say that this and this side is equal. We will name this triangle as A, B, C, and we will draw so this is the perpendicular line also, and this is the median also. So in order to show the median, we have to show that these two sides are equal. So this is the isosceles triangle, and we have shown that the median and altitude, they both are same. They both are same. Maybe on this side it won't be same, but on this opposite side it is same. So done. Question number 3 is also done. One more property we are going to learn now. I'll rub the board and we will learn one more property. Now we are going to start with the properties of the triangle. What is this property called? This is called as exterior angle. This is the angle symbol. Property of a. Now I will not write down the triangle full form. I will just give the symbol of triangle. So this is called as exterior angle property of a triangle. What is meant by exterior angle property? First, let us see what is meant by exterior angle. Suppose this is a triangle, and suppose we extend this line here. We can extend this line also, we can extend this line also, we can extend this line also, we can extend this line also. There is no issue. So, here suppose we have triangle A, B, C. Okay, and this angle, this is called as, again here we will give a name as D. So this angle, this is called as exterior angle of the triangle. That is angle ACD will be the exterior angle of the triangle. Now this is angle C, a single name we will give. So this angle ACD or angle C is the exterior angle for this triangle, since we have extended this. Now what this property says, for this exterior angle, this angle A and angle B, they are the opposite interior angles. Since they are in the interior of the triangle, so angle A and angle B, they are interior angles. Now what does this property say? That an exterior angle of an triangle equals to the sum of interior opposite angles. Interior opposite angles. That is angle A plus angle B. Suppose this is we say 60 degree, and again this is also 60 degree. Okay, suppose these are the two angle A and B, they both are 60 degree. Then what will be angle C? It will be addition of these two angles. Then angle C equals to 60 plus 60, So this equals to 120 degrees. So exercise 6.2 is based totally on this property. This property also we have seen. Exercise 6.2 we will see in the next video. Thank you.